So hello guys, welcome. Today we'll see how to do testing of off-course alarm, heading monitor alarm and off-heading alarm in Tokyo Keiki Autopilot. So let's go and we'll start.
So this is the off-course alarm. That's the basic of off-course alarm. This is the basic of heading monitor alarm. That's the difference between the selected sensor and the gyro or external heading. Now over here we had 2 gyro and 1 magnetic compass. So these are 2 gyro and 1 magnetic compass. So that's the heading monitor alarm. You can pause the video and you can read it. And that's the difference of off-heading alarm. This is the difference between the set heading and the gyro sensor. So these are the 3 alarms. You can pause the video and you can read the difference between them for this particular autopilot. So now first we'll test off-heading alarm. To test off-heading alarm, press menu. By these arrow key, come down. Go to set. Come down. Now all the 3 alarms we have to test from here only. Off-heading, heading monitor and off-course alarm. All the 3 alarms we'll be testing through here only. So first we'll be testing off-heading. So select off-heading. Select enter. Now once it is blinking, that means we can adjust this. Reduce the value. Okay, so now we have reduced the value and it has come down to test. We'll press again set. So now it is on test mode. We can come back. Now to test this, we have to switch off the steering motors. So this is my steering motor. As we can see, only number 2 is running at this moment. And stop this. And change the heading. So off-heading alarm has been activated in this. So that's it. We will switch our steering motor on. Okay, now we'll come back to menu. Let's first acknowledge. Here also acknowledge. Now we'll come to menu, come down. Again go to set, come down. Select enter and we'll bring it back the readings to 15 degree. So that's it. So that's it with testing of off-heading alarm. Now we'll test heading monitor alarm. To test the heading monitor alarm, again we'll come down, select enter. We'll reduce the readings to 5 degree. Here the minimum reading is 5 degree and the maximum reading is 15 degree. So as you can see, if I press it mode, it won't come further down and it will be stuck to 5 and it will stay on 5 degree. So that's it. This is the least value. Select enter. Now we'll come to heading monitor. We'll select enter and we'll change it to number 3. Select enter. That's it. We can come back and now we will come down. And this is the number 3, this THS. We'll go to display. Now this is variation. I'll select set. Now this variation is coming from GPS. We'll set to hand. Select enter. I'll just increase the readings to more than 5 degree and that's it. The alarm should come on. So that's it. As we can see over here, heading monitor alarm has been activated. So I'll just acknowledge this. So now once the alarm has been acknowledged, we are done with the testing. I'll come back over here. Again go to display. This is the variation. Select. I'll put it back to GPS. Enter. So from GPS it is getting 17 degree. So I've reset that. Also I will reset the readings settings which I have done over here. select. So heading monitor, I'll click enter, set. And also this heading monitor sensor, I will go back, select enter and put it to number 1. That's it. Now if I have to test, off course alarm, for this also we have to do the same thing. Come down, select over here, select set, bring down the values to 5 degree or the least value which we can bring. So that's it, 5 degrees the least value. Select enter. Again come down, select off course sensor to number 3. Select enter. This is number 3. I'll select this over here. Select over here. Now come back. Again here we have to select the variation. This is the variation set. Now it is from GPS. I'll put it to hand. This is variation by hand. Enter. Just increase the values. I'll press enter, come back, and now again the alarm shall come over here. So you can see off course alarm has been activated. So that's it with the testing of all the 3 alarms. Now again we'll go back and reset the values to the original readings as they were, and we'll increase the values to 15 degrees. Select enter. Also the OCA sensor I'll select. So we have reset, and also the bottom sensor, this also will come back to, we'll put back the variation to GPS. This is the variation from GPS. Press enter and that's it. So that's it with the testing of all 3 alarms. I hope this was informative for you. Thank you.